Hello everybody and welcome to Coupon Club. So I'm going to try to make this intro really fast because I am running super late in getting this video out to you guys. So what this video is our 5 off 25 breakdowns for this week because yes, we do still have a 5 off 25. There was a little scare last Saturday where a 5 off 30 receipt was printing on the bottom of everybody's receipts. So there was a little scare in the coupon community thinking that we weren't going to be getting a 5 off 25 anymore. But that scare got squashed on Sunday when we got our 5 off 25 digital. So happy to see that to our accounts. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can utilize that 5 off 25 digital coupon along with a bunch of other digital coupons which we have on our apps to get some really great savings this Saturday where we can get our items for less than $1 each. So let's just go ahead and check out these deals. So here we are with deal number 1, and in this breakdown we're going to start off by picking up a BIC US Razor Starter Kit priced at $9, along with a Dove Body Wash, the 22 ounce priced at $7, a Schick Classic Razor, the 3 count priced at $4, 2 of the Suave deodorants, the 1.6 ounce, and make sure you're getting the Tropical Paradise scent, and these are going to be priced at $1 each, so it'll be $2 for those 2. And then we also want to pick up a Glade warmer with a refill priced at $2.70. And lastly, we can just get one filler item priced at $1. So head on over to the dollar aisle and pick up any item what you would like. And just as a visual in this breakdown, I did include the Dawn dish soap, which is the 7 ounce. So subtotal for all of these products is $25.70. But we have $20 of coupons. So that is going to be our 5 off 25. A $5 off for the BIC US Razor Kit, a $2 off when you spend 7 on Dove products, which is a Dollar General store coupon, and then another coupon which we're going to use for the Dove is a manufacturer coupon for a $1.50 off of just the Dove Body Wash. And hopefully you guys went on your accounts on Sunday and clipped all these digitals when they became available, because I do believe that this Dove Body Wash digital is no longer available to clip to your accounts. So this is a great example of why it's so important to log onto your Dollar General accounts either Sunday or Monday as soon as you can each week to start clipping your digitals, because they can disappear at any time. And if you're ever unsure which digitals to clip, I do make a post both on my YouTube community tab and on my Instagram showing you guys the new best digitals which come out each week. So anyways, after those 2 Dove coupons, we also want to use a $3 off for the Schick Classic Razor, $8 off of any 2 Suave products, and $2.50 off of one of the Glade warmer plugins. So that is our $20 of coupons, bringing our subtotal from $25.70 down to just $5.70 for everything here, which means we'll be paying just 81 cents per product. So not a bad deal there, especially if you guys like that Dove Body Wash. Dove Body Wash is pretty expensive, and in this deal alone, we're paying less than the price of that Dove Body Wash for absolutely everything. So nice little breakdown right there, but now let's check out deal number 2, which is going to be a game breakdown, because this week we actually did get a digital coupon for $5 off of a $20 game purchase, which at some Dollar General stores can be stacked on top of our 5 off a $25 purchase. So if you know at your store those 2 can stack, here is a really great deal where we can get all of these items over here to the left for less than $1 each. So what we're going to be picking up are one of the Gain dish soaps, which is a 21.6 ounce, and that's priced at $2. Along with one of these Gain products here, which is priced at $6.95. So you can choose between the detergent, the 65 ounce, the fabric softener, the 90 ounce, which is what I have pictured here. You can also pick up the Gain pods, the 24 count, the Fireworks, the 10 ounce, or the Gain dryer sheets, which are the 200 count. So any one of those priced at $6.95. And then we also want to pick up 2 Febreze products and make sure that they're Gain scented. And you can pick between either the small spaces, which are the 2 count, or the scented oil warmer refills, which are the 1 count. And over here to the left, I did picture these scented oil warmer refills. And these are each priced at $5 each. So for both of them, it's going to cost us $10. And now after that, we want to pick up 2 more Gain products, which are going to be 2 Gain products from the dollar aisle. So you can pick up any Gain products from the dollar aisle. Just make sure you scan it into your app and ensure that our 5 off 20 coupon is attaching to it. So now that you have all your Gain products, we also want to pick up a Schick Classic Razor, the 3 count priced at $4, and a Fruit Roll-Up single, which you can just find up by the register, priced at 25 cents. So subtotal for all of these items will be $25.20. But check out these digitals which we're going to be using. So not a lot of digitals for this breakdown, but this is still a really great deal. So the digitals we want to use are going to be our 5 off 25, a 5 off 20 gain, $2 off for the game product which we pick up priced at $6.95, a $3 off of 2 Febreze products, and a $3 off of 1 Schick Classic razor. So that is $18 of coupons, which means instead of paying $25.20 for all of these items, we're only going to have to pay $7.20 for all 8 of these different products, which means they'll only cost 90 cents each. So what a great deal to be getting these Febreze oil plug refills, that giant game product, the dish soap, all of this stuff for just 90 cents a piece. But now let's go ahead and check out deal number 3. And in deal number 3, we're going to be picking up a Bic US Razor Starter Kit priced at $9, followed by one of the finished dishwasher pods between the 12 and the 14 count priced at $3.25, a Snuggle fabric softener, the 15 ounce priced at $4.45, 2 of the Fabuloso Complete Disinfectant Wipes, the 35 counts, and these are $2.65 each, an Airwick Warmer Plug, the 1 count, which is priced at $2. And note that this is priced at $2 now. Just last week, this item was priced at $1.65, but prices are going up, so keep an eye out for that. And then the last couple items that we want to get are going to be 3 of the American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each. So subtotal for all of these items will be $25.50, but these will be the digital coupons you want to clip to this account if you're looking to do this deal. And that is going to be our 5 off of 25, a $5 off for the BIC US Razor Kit, 50 cents off for the finished dishwasher pods, $2 off for a Snuggle product, $2.65 off when you buy 2 of the Fabuloso Complete Disinfectant Wipes, $1.75 off for any 1 Airwick Scented Oil Warmer product, and lastly, a Dollar General store coupon for $1 off when you buy 3 American greeting cards. So that is $17.80 of coupons, which means after we punch in our phone number at the register and all of these digitals come off, we're going to be left to pay just 77 cents for each of these items, which comes out to being just $7.70 for everything. So not a bad deal there, but now let's go ahead and move right along into deal number 4, which will be our food breakdown for this week. And this week for our food breakdown, we want to pick up one of the Sweet and Low 0-calorie sweeteners, which is the 100 count priced at $2.25. One of the Coffee Mate Original Powdered Coffee Creamers, the 35.3 ounce tub priced at $5. One of the Dole Sliced Pineapple cans, the 20 ounce priced at $1.85. 3 Fancy Feast Petite Wet Cat Foods, the 2.8 ounce trays priced at $1 each. 5 Gatorade Sports Drinks, which are between the 28 and 32 ounce priced at $1.20 each. 1 Olive Garden salad dressing, the 16 ounce priced at $3.15. A Pepsi soda, the 1.25 liter priced at $1, and a Lay's potato chips, the 8 ounce priced at $3.20. So cost for all of these products before coupons would be $25.45, but that is way too expensive. So we're going to be using all of these digital coupons, which are our 5 off 25, 50 cents off of one of the Sweet and Lows, 35 cents off of the Dole canned pineapples, $1.50 off when you buy 3 Fancy Feast wet cat foods, a buy 4 get 1 free for the Gatorades, 75 cents off for the Olive Garden salad dressing, and $2 off when you buy 1 Pepsi and 1 Lay's products. So total value of coupons is $12.30, which means instead of having to pay over $25 for all of these items, we'll only need to pay $13.15 or 94 cents each. But now I do have one last deal to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and check out that final breakdown right now. And in this deal, we're going to be picking up one of the Glade Warmer refills, the Hawaiian Scent, which is priced at $2.70, along with 2 of the Colgate Max toothpaste, the 6 ounce, which are on sale this week, 2 for $5. Other than that, we want to get 2 of the Fabuloso Complete Disinfectant Wipes, which are priced at $2.65 each, 2 of the Palmolive or Ajax dish soaps, which are priced at $3 each, and 2 of the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioners, which are also priced at $3 each. So subtotal for all of these items is $25 exactly, but then we're going to be using these $19.15 of coupons, which will be our 5 off 25, a $2.50 off for the Glade, $3 off of 2 Colgates, $2.65 off when you buy 2 of the Fabuloso, $3 off when you buy 2 Palmolive or Ajax, and a $3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So those are our $19.15 of coupons, which means after those coupons, our final cost will be just $5.85 for all of these items, or just 65 cents each. So what a great deal to be snagging up each of these items for just 65 cents each. And without further ado, let's check out deal number 6, where we'll be getting everything for completely free. So in this deal, we want to pick up a Schick Classic Razor priced at $4, one of the Centrum Adult Vitamins, a 60 count priced at $5, an Airwick Warmer plug, and this is just a plug, the 1 count priced at $2, a Shea Moisture African Bar Soap, the 8 ounce bar soap priced at $5, one of the Glade Warmer with the refills, and make sure you're getting the Hawaiian scent priced at $2.70, 2 of the Colgate Kids Cavity Protection Toothpaste priced at $1 each, an Oral-B Indicator Manual Toothbrush, the 2 count priced at $3, and then lastly, 3 American greeting cards priced at 50 cents each. So subtotal for all of these products will be $25.20, but we have all of these digital coupons, which are our 5 off 25, a $3 off for the Schick Classic Razor, $4 off for the Centrum, a $1.75 off for the Airwick, $3 off of a Shea Moisture, a $2.50 off for the Glade, a $3 off of 2 Colgates. And just an FYI that this digital coupon is currently glitching and attaching to these kids' cavity toothpaste right now, resulting in us getting them for free plus a $1 overage. So if you can find these Colgate Kids Cavity Protection Toothpaste in your store, definitely include them with any breakdown that you're doing, because they give us overage. So other than that $3 off of 2 Colgate, we also have a $2 off of 1 for the Oral-B and a $1 off of 3 American greeting cards. So that is $25.25 of coupons. And our subtotal for all of this stuff is only $25.20. So the value of our coupons is more than the value of our products, which means all of this stuff we're going to be getting for completely free. So we won't be paying anything at the register. And yes, this is in the negatives, but what's going to happen is 5 cents is actually just going to apply towards any taxes that we have to pay for this transaction. And now if you guys do live in one of the states where you pay sales tax based on your value after coupons and sales, you're actually going to need to fill in a filler item to cover that 5 cents to put you guys over the $0 mark. Otherwise, what's going to happen is your subtotal is literally going to be 5 cents, and the register at the cashier is going to say amount due to customer 5 cents. But do not take any money from the register ever at Dollar General. The cashiers can get in trouble for this. They can lose their jobs. So don't take money from the cashier. Instead, just put in a piece of candy or something to get you over that 5 cent mark, and you'll be getting everything for like 20 cents, 15 cents, however much, but still pretty much completely free. And if you live in one of those other states where you just pay sales tax based on your subtotal before coupons, this 5 cents will be applied towards your taxes. So there you go, guys, a deal where you can get everything for free. So those were a few different breakouts for you guys to choose from, and hopefully one of them works for you. And now if you have any other great deals or coupon matchups that you know that are going on at Dollar General, for example, any overage options or glitches, definitely leave those in the comment section down below. That way myself and everybody else can find out about it too. And now if you guys do go out and do any of these deals and you get your hands on a receipt, just a reminder to make sure you scan that receipt into Fetch Rewards so you guys can earn your points towards your next gift card. If you're not using Fetch Rewards, I definitely recommend signing up because it is probably the most straightforward rebate app out there, where literally all you do is take a picture of your receipt, and any receipt that you take a picture of within the Fetch app, you get some points, and once you have enough points, you cash out for a gift card. So that was pretty much everything I had to share with you guys in today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, show me by giving a big thumbs up down below, because not only does it, put a smile on my face to see, thumbs up on my videos, but it also just helps my video perform better within the YouTube world and the YouTube algorithm and all that stuff. So be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video so you never miss out on any of these savings. And I will see you guys in the next one.